All right, let's solve one of the most common and kind of frustrating problems in crypto. You get a new custom token, you're excited to see it, but it's just not showing up in your wallet. Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to take control and import pretty much any compatible token you want, step by step, using the Xova wallet.
So, you've checked your wallet, you've refreshed it a few times, and that new token is still nowhere to be found. I know that little moment of panic, right? But hey, don't worry, your assets are safe and sound on the blockchain. The only problem is your wallet just doesn't know it's supposed to be looking for them yet. So, let's fix that.
And this is exactly where a wallet like Xova really shines. It's built from the ground up to put you in command. You never have to wait around for some official update to manage your own assets. We're going to walk through the exact steps to get this done right now.
Okay, before we start tapping buttons, there's one really big rule we need to understand. It's the secret sauce that makes this whole thing possible, and it's called EVM compatibility.
EVM stands for the Ethereum Virtual Machine. Now, what does that mean? The easiest way to think of it is like the operating system for a huge part of the crypto world. Not just Ethereum, but also other massive blockchains like Polygon, Avalanche, and Binance Smart Chain. If a token is EVM compatible, it just means it speaks this universal language. And since Xova is designed for this ecosystem, it knows exactly how to talk to these tokens.
All right, with that little bit of tech background out of the way, let's get practical. The very first move is to navigate to the right screen inside the Xova app. It's a super fast 3-tap sequence. You start on your main wallet page, scroll down till you see Manage Crypto, and then you're going to tap that little plus symbol you see in the top right corner. That's our gateway.
So here we are. You just scroll down your list of assets and tap on Manage Crypto. Then on the next screen, your target is that little plus icon up in the corner. Go ahead and tap that, and it'll take you right to the import screen.
Great, you're on the final screen. This is where we give the wallet the specific info it needs to go out and find your token on the blockchain.
You're just 3 little steps from being done. First, you'll choose the correct network. Second, you'll paste in the token's contract address. And finally, you just hit import. Easy as that.
Okay, first things first, make sure you select the network your token actually lives on. Next up is the most critical piece of the puzzle, the contract address. Think of this as the token's unique ID number on the blockchain. You can find this on a block explorer like Etherscan, or, and this is super important, get it directly from the project's official website. Always double-check your source to avoid scams. Once you paste it in, the token symbol and decimals should just fill in automatically. Then, just smash that import button.
And that's it! In just a few seconds, you've successfully taught your wallet how to recognize and display your brand new asset.
Congratulations! Now head back to your main wallet page and boom! Your newly imported crypto will show up right alongside all your other assets. You can track its balance and use it just like any other token in your wallet. It really is that simple.
So, you know how to do it, which is awesome. But let's take just a second to talk about why this is such a powerful feature for anyone who's serious about crypto. This is all about empowerment. It's not just about convenience. It's about having direct, absolute control over your portfolio. You are in the driver's seat. You can interact with this huge EVM ecosystem without waiting for anyone's permission. This feature basically transforms your wallet from just a simple box to hold coins into a personalized dashboard for your entire crypto journey.
And that really is the most exciting part. This one skill unlocks a whole universe of new projects and possibilities, stuff that other people might have to wait weeks to get access to. The power is completely in your hands. So the only question left is, what will you discover next?